You ever feel like you're doing everything right financially, but nothing is really happening? You're saving money. Maybe you've started investing. You're being more disciplined than before, and yet when you check your account it still feels small. Like you expected more progress by now. And part of you starts thinking, is this even working? If that thought has ever crossed your mind, that's literally most people. I spend way too much time thinking about why your first $100,000 invested feels slow, then suddenly explodes. If you're someone who is stuck, stagnant, or worried about personal finance, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because what are you feeling right now? It's not a failure. It's the phase almost everyone goes through before things finally start to change. Here's the thing. The first $100,000 is slow. Painfully slow. And that's exactly why most people never reach it. Not because they can't, but because they quit before it gets interesting. Let's talk about math first. Because once you understand this, everything clicks. Let's say you invest $500 a month with an average return of 8%. After 1 year, you've put in $6,000. After 5 years, you've contributed $30,000, and your account might be around $36,000. That's not life-changing. Feels like a lot of effort for a small result. Now fast forward. At around year 10, you might hit $90,000 to $100,000. Still, not crazy. But this is where it gets really interesting. From that point on, the growth starts accelerating. Because now, your money is making money. At $100,000, an 8% return means your money grows by $8,000 a year, without you adding anything. That's more than your first year of contributions. And it keeps compounding. At $200,000, that's $16,000 a year. At $500,000, that's $40,000 a year. At $1 million, that's $80,000 a year. And suddenly, it's no longer about how much you save. It's about how much your money earns. Here's what most people don't realize. The hardest part of building wealth isn't the millions. It's the first $100,000. Because in the beginning, you are doing all the work. Later, your money starts doing the work. But the math is only half the story. The real reason this feels so hard? It is psychological. Psychology number 1, you don't see immediate results. Humans are wired for quick rewards. You go to the gym, you want to see results in weeks. You work hard, you expect your bank account to reflect it quickly. But investing doesn't work like that. It's delayed. And that delay makes it feel like nothing is happening, even when everything is working perfectly. Psychology number 2, effort versus reward feels unbalanced. You're putting in effort every month, saving, investing, being disciplined, but the reward feels small. So your brain starts questioning, why am I even doing this? Now you might be thinking, I could just enjoy my money now instead. And that's exactly where most people fall off. Psychology number 3, comparison kills motivation. You see people online making big money, crypto wins, business success, fast wealth, and your slow, steady progress feels insignificant. But here's the truth. Fast money is rare. Slow, consistent wealth is repeatable. And it works. Let me give you an analogy. Building your first $100,000 is like pushing a heavy flywheel. At the start, it barely moves. You push, and nothing happens. You push again, still slow. But each push builds momentum. Eventually, the wheel starts spinning on its own. That's compounding. And that's what most people never stick around long enough to experience. So how do you actually get through this phase? Because knowing this isn't enough. You need a strategy. Step 1. Focus on contributions, not results. In the beginning, ignore the returns. Seriously, your job is simple. Keep investing. Because early on, your contributions matter more than your growth. If you invest $500 a month, that's $6,000 a year. Your returns might only add $1,000 or $2,000 at first. That's normal. Stay focused on what you can control. Step 2. Automate everything. You don't want to rely on motivation. Set up automatic investments. Make it happen without thinking. Because consistency beats intensity. Step 3. Increase your income. This is where most advice falls short. Saving alone is slow. If you want to reach $100,000 faster, you need to earn more. Even an extra $500 a month invested cuts years off your timeline. Step 4. Avoid big mistakes. Here's what most people don't realize. Building wealth isn't just about what you do right. It's about avoiding what destroys progress. High-interest debt, panic selling, trying to time the market. One bad decision can erase years of effort. Step 5. Zoom out. This is the mindset shift. Stop thinking in months. Start thinking in decades. Because wealth is built over time, not overnight. Let me tell you a quick story. Two people start investing. Person A invests consistently for 10 years, then stops. Person B waits 10 years, then starts investing the same amount. You'd think they'd end up close, right? Wrong. Person A often ends up with significantly more money because of time. Time matters more than timing. This is where it gets really interesting. Once you cross that $100,000 mark, things start to feel different. You'll notice your account moves more, your gains feel bigger, your motivation increases, because now you're seeing results, and that creates a feedback loop. Here's the truth. The first $100,000 doesn't feel exciting, but it's the foundation of everything. It's the tipping point. It's where things shift from effort to momentum. And if you can push through this phase, you're ahead of most people, because most people never get there. Not because they couldn't, but because they didn't stay consistent long enough. So next time you check your account and feel discouraged, remember this. You're not behind. You're in the hardest phase, and that phase doesn't last forever. Every dollar you invest right now is building the engine that will eventually work for you. Quietly, relentlessly, automatically. If this changed the way you see investing, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Where are you right now on your journey to $100,000? Because once you get there, everything starts to change. And that's when the real growth begins.